In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a watermark in CapCut. Whether you are a content creator or just looking to protect your work, adding a watermark is a great way to brand your videos. Let's dive right in. First, open CapCut. Now, let's import the video you want to add the watermark to. Click on Import and import the video. Drag it to the timeline like this. Next, let's add the watermark. You can either use text, an image, or a logo as your watermark. To start, click on text right here, drag it to the timeline like this, click on here. Once you have typed it, adjust its size like this. Once you have adjusted it, scroll down and go to blend and decrease its opacity like this. Make sure your watermark stays throughout the video. For this, drag the edge of the watermark clip on the timeline to extend it for the entire length of your video like this. Now once you are happy with the watermark, it's time to export your video. Click on export right here and choose your settings and click on export. And that's it. Now you know how to add a watermark in CapCut. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.